Security engineers often work with a variety of firewalls to enhance network security and protect against cyber threats. Here are 5 well-known firewalls that security engineers should be familiar with. 1. Cisco ASA, Adaptive Security Appliance. Cisco ASA is a comprehensive security device that combines firewall, antivirus, intrusion prevention, VPN, and other security features. It is widely used in enterprise environments and offers a robust set of capabilities to secure networks. 2. Palo Alto Networks. Next-generation firewall, PAN-OS. Palo Alto Networks is known for its next-generation firewall solutions. These firewalls go beyond traditional packet filtering and incorporate features such as application layer visibility and control, threat prevention, and URL filtering. PAN-OS provides a holistic approach to network security. 3. Check Point Firewall. Check Point is a prominent cybersecurity company that offers a range of security products, including firewalls. Check Point firewalls provide advanced threat prevention, VPN support, and unified security management. They are widely used in enterprise environments for perimeter security. 4. Fortinet. FortiGate. FortiGate is a series of firewalls offered by Fortinet. These firewalls provide a range of security features, including firewall, VPN, antivirus, intrusion prevention, and application control. FortiGate devices are commonly used for securing networks of various sizes. 5. pfSense. pfSense is an open-source firewall and router distribution based on FreeBSD. It is widely used for its flexibility, extensibility, and support for a variety of third-party packages. Security engineers appreciate pfSense for its cost-effectiveness and the ability to run on commodity hardware. Security engineers may encounter these firewalls in different environments and should be familiar with their features, configurations, and management interfaces to effectively implement and maintain network security.